मांद्रे आपल्या कॉलेजीचेर जावपी अन्याया आड आर्ग्युमेंट घालपाक रमाकांत खलप शुक्राराक गोंय युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या कावन्सिला मुखार पावलो. सरकाराक कॉलेजीचे पयल्या वर्साची मान्यताय रद्द करपाचो कसलोच अधिकार ना. बऱ्यो साधन सुविधांच्या बळग्यार कॉलेजीक फाटली 4 वर्सां मान्यताय मेळ्ळ्या ती चालूच उरपाक जाय अशें खलपाचे कांय आर्ग्युमेंट.
Legal as well as emotional approach. I laid bare before the university the entire history of our institution, Mandre Prudent Taluka Vikas Parishad, which is a 40-year-old institute. I explained how we struggled to raise that institute from the pre-primary level to the college level today. I explained to them that we started at college only after the government of Goa gave us the approval and the university gave us affiliation. And once we got these two things, the requirements of a new college are fulfilled. We are then promoted to the recognized college status. We become an established college. So second year the government university, following that principle, granted a second year affiliation. And thereafter the government of Goa withdraws the NOC. So I question that withdrawal. On what ground was it withdrawn? On 2 grounds. It said that the Mandre college is less than 7 kilometers from the government college. A falsehood. I showed it to them that it is 23 kilometers and more. So that part was gone. Second part was there are other colleges. I said there are discrimination. This is discrimination. There are many more colleges we have allowed elsewhere. Colleges with a distance of 3 kilometers, 2 kilometers and 1 kilometer. How could you prevent Mandre college from that ground? And third, I said the same government note says that this college could be run on self-financing basis. We applied for reconsideration of that, whatever order they had passed, and government reconsidered it. They revived our NOC, and the question was only about whether grants would be given to us or not. Government started inquiring about the number of students that we had, and ultimately at one stage said, since you have less than 100 students, grants cannot be given. We again appealed against that. We said that is not a requirement of law at all. If the number of strength is less, then I can make up the fees of the students by which there is a shortfall.
हॉस्पिसियोच्या मॉर्गात 4 महिने जाले एके बायलेची कूड अडकल्या. पुलीस कशीच दिवंक तयार ना. दक्षिण गोंयचो SP आनी जिल्लोधिकारी आपल्या बायलेची कूड दिवंक कटकटी करता म्हूण आदले आर्मी अधिकाऱ्याचो आरोप. ताची बायल सुचित्रा उदयवर 18 जानेराक मडगांवां फुगासावान गेली. तिचो घोव सुभाष म्हणटा घडये पुलीस आपूण कितेंय झडयतलो म्हूण पिट्टा आसुये.
I went to the police and told them, and I met the SP, who was initially very uncooperative. I use the word uncooperative and illogical. When I told him, then he said, I got a letter from Myra. He was kind enough to give me a copy of, not Myra, what's his name? Ira, the hospital superintendent. He was kind enough. He said, if there is any other letter from her, you give it to us, and we will give you another letter saying release the ball. But whereas in the 20th letter she says that I had come and met her and I raised suspicion on the death, which is a untruth. The collector, after 15-20 minutes, called me for less than 2 minutes. I said, I don't believe you, because Ira has already written. I said, under oath I can say I have not met, and you can also inquire from your side. He said, I know what I have to do, but I never found such insensitive, inhuman, immoral people keeping a man's wife's dead body and not releasing it for obvious reasons. And obvious reasons is very clear. Somebody is expecting some easy money, which I won't give. Government of Goa acts on these inefficient officers, especially the collector, who is an IAS, surprising. God forbid such people from these people. And the superintendent of police, and Ira Almeida, who is the superintendent of the hospice hospital. I'll wait only for, I want to make it very clear, I'll wait for 2 days. After 2 days, I'm going to forget. And the only hope is the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, on a tweet he acts. Because I can't spend money, sir. I've withdrawn 2 of my fixed deposit and come here. I'll leave it here. Let it be. Let it be the property of Goa government.
दक्षिण गोंयचो DYSP म्हणटा ती मेडिको लिगल केस बॉडी तशी काडून दिवंक मेळना. पोस्टमॉर्टम खंय करपाचो उरला.
It's been treated as MLC case by the auspicier, and auspicier has informed us that it is MLC case.
So now the body will be handed only after postmortem.
After postmortem, correct.
मिडियान बोवाळ जातकीच पुलिसांनी 3.5 म्हयन्या उपरांत ते बायलेची केस अनैसर्गिक मरण म्हणून नोंद केल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर साव्यो डायस.
क्लब मोर्जे रशियन चलयेचेर बलात्कार प्रकरणांतलो आरोपी जेम्स डिकॉस्टाक पुलीस सध्या सोदतात. बिरेस्तारा फांतोडेर ताणें ही आगळीक केली असो ते रशियन चलयेन आरोप केला. तपासाचो भाग म्हणून हॉटेलांतले सीसीटीव्ही फुटेज पुलिशेन जप्त केला. घेवया एक विराम.